Was the traffic too much when you were taking loops and all? Oh, would you recommend Bergman? Good, na? Which was the toughest part?
I think just doing the open water swim.
Why do you think so?
I'm less used to it, so it was exciting and yet a little challenging.
Was this your first open water race?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What about you?
No, I had a great race. It was a lovely Sunday. Really enjoyed the location. You know, from the ease of hotel to the start point because we are right there.
Everything is very
Yeah.
clean also, not
Yeah,
something
yeah,
that we
I have to say,
expect.
But my only annoyance with this is that the athletes, you know, gels thrown here and there. You know, I think it's inexcusable. I mean, put it in your
Yeah.
pocket.
Yeah.
You know, don't litter. I mean, it's so clean. And then you'll find on the road a gel thrown.
I think yesterday in the briefing they also told that they do have litter zones where you
They
should.
do, and I think every athlete now has to learn to be responsible to put the gel into their
Yeah.
own
Okay.
pocket. It's not just not correct.
Did it bother you the traffic in the beginning or that was okay? It was okay, all right.
Right in Bombay. This is like, you know, peaceful.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Shalaka, on finishing your race.
Thank you.
I have few questions to ask you. So, which part was the best in your race?
Actually, I had anticipated cycling would be the best, but somehow I never get cramps. But this time I got cramps 3-4 times. I had to stop. Like
Okay.
literally just to a standstill. Like my legs, calves became very tight.
Mhm.
So that was a little bit of a letdown. Then I was very cautious after that.
All right.
So everything was at a
This was your first duathlon, right? And did the traffic bother you?
yes, it did. Especially towards the end and on the turns, it did.
Okay, so that is something that you think should be taken as a feedback, right, for the
Yes.
organizer?
And just too many speed breakers. Probably they can't help it. But
Uh-huh.
there were too many speed breakers. Probably 7.5.
All right.
For 2 reasons. Firstly, in the morning, there were very few participants, so there was literally nobody on that side. Later it got picked up.
All right,
So
all right.
that was a bit of a dampener, and the traffic.
Hi. So, congratulations on finishing your race. How was it?
Extremely wonderful.
You did the Olympic one, right? Which was the best part? Cycling was the best one for you?
I guess it would have to be swimming.
Swimming
But
was best.
Running was the toughest, unexpectedly.
Running was the
So, yeah.
Why so?
As soon as I started, I got cramps.
Okay.
And while training, I never got cramps.
First time?
Yeah. So I didn't know how to handle it. I just knew the theory, I just knew the basics. But while you are actually in a marathon, and
Uh-huh.
you just have like an hour and a half to finish, and your run is just starting out with extreme heat. So
Really also one of the factors.
Was this your first triathlon?
yeah, for both of us.
Would you recommend Bergman to other participants? Did the traffic bother you? Not much, right?
Yeah, not much.
People were supportive.
Okay, in the beginning we thought that there was too much chaos, so we thought the cyclists were little worried about it. But as I'm asking more and more people, I'm understanding that they
have
actually
trained
enjoyed. You have trained.
Because we live in Pune, na?
So Mumbaikars also said the same thing. Punekars are also saying the same thing. I think we guys are used to it, so all right. And what nutrition did you take while you were
We use the fast and up energy gel.
fast and up energy gel?
That's it.
Oh.
En route nutrition.
Okay, good. Awesome. Thank you so much. This is a very nice medal. बहुत अच्छा medal है ना? Really good. Bergman, Uzer, Pune. Oh, that's a warrior.
Yeah.
And they also have a musical instrument.
Yeah, Veena.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
Hi Manoj. Which was the best part for your race?
The cycling was best.
Cycling was best?
Cycling was good fun.
You enjoyed it?
Yes, the road was very nice. There were few bumps here and there, but the road was very good, and the hydration points all over the place was good, and the energy in the participants. Almost no two participants were crossing each other without waving or wishing. Yeah, chal, yeah, whatever.
Everyone was in high spirits then.
Absolutely.
And would you recommend Bergman to other people?
I would recommend Bergman to other people. It is definitely worth doing. Different to the duathlon. I don't know about the triathlon because I haven't done that. But the duathlon was definitely worth doing. All the arrangements over here were top class. Absolutely. And the best thing is they began absolutely on time every event. That is very good. All the guests, all the chief guests, due credit to them, they all arrived before the event and they were there in time to flag off. So I would say Bergman should do it over here every year.
Wow. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thanks for talking to me.
Awesome. So अब तक तो मैंने काफ़ी पार्टिसिपेंट से बात कर ली, और उससे तो मुझे इतना पता चल गया है कि वो जो ट्रैफिक जो मैंने बताया ना आपको, वो इतना बॉदर नहीं किया है पार्टिसिपेंट्स को। सारे एकदम हाई स्पिरिट्स में थे, सबको बहुत मज़ा आया। और स्पेशली क्या बोलते हैं, वॉलंटियर्स इतने फ्रेंडली थे, सबको इतनी मदद कर रहा था, और ये जगह इतनी क्लीन मेंटेन की है, सब कुछ टाइम पे हुआ। पीपल रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट। सो आई गेस दैट्स द फीडबैक यू शुड टेक मोर सीरियसली देन व्हाट वी परस्यू। लव्ड इट। Many more people to go. Let's wait for them and get their feedback as well. Congratulations on finishing your race.
Thank you
In
very
the
much.
morning, I saw you dipping in the water. It was not very clean, but still you went for it. What were you doing?
I need to my neoprene, put the water. That is everything fitting very well. This
Oh.
was the reason why I had to go to water before started the race.
Is that so? Did you enjoy the race?
Thank you. I enjoyed it very much. It was perfect.
Congratulations on finishing your race.
Thank you.
Which discipline did you participate in?
I participated in Olympics.
Olympic distance. And did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, of course.
Would you
Loved it.
recommend it to others?
Anytime.
On a scale of 1 to 10 being the highest, how much would you rate the event?
10.
10.
Very good support. Awesome route. I think I loved it. Although it was hot and humid, but still quite enjoyable. I enjoyed
Which
it.
part did you enjoy the most?
So I am basically a runner. So run is always my
Favorite part?
choice, favorite part. Definitely cycling and swimming were also good. So
Was this your first Bergman?
actually I did participate in 2023 which got cancelled.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so you deferred and you.
No, then I did not do it. Then I did my Ironman Turkey 17.3 and first Bergman.
Awesome. Very inspiring. Any piece of advice you would like to give to women who are trying to pick up the sport and they don't have any idea how to do it?
Just don't give up. Start slow. Bit by bit, you'll make the difference, and you'll see it.
Thank you so much. That was very wonderful. I spent around 2 hours giving ice baths to everyone on the running course. और मुझे लग रहा है कि I am feeling sick now. But it was so much fun, so much fun. Good event, full of energy. I loved it. I've lost my voice. But I want to see more of you guys over here and I'll be cheering for you. Loved it. And with this, signing off. Subscribe to One Player In. Bye bye. Take care.